Hey guys, welcome back to today. I'm gonna be making a video where and you guys are like, why am I on my avatar? Yeah, that's what you guys are wondering, I bet.
Wait,
so
I'm
gonna put it on. So I'm gonna be being a Project Zorgo member for a day. This is gonna be the. I'm not doing this ever again after this. So I actually don't really have the avatar for it, but I'm gonna put it on. I made a costume, I think. I made a costume of it. Where is it? So it's right here. No, that's not. It's not the Black Sea Avatar. It's the WoW project. That's what it looks like, guys. And actually, I'm just doing this for a day. This is the last time I'm doing it. I'm not gonna do this ever again. This is gonna be the first time that I'll do my real Avatar videos and stuff. So, and yeah, so I'm just gonna do it for a day, but I'm just gonna do it for this video, not for a whole day, actually. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do it for this video. Let's just get in the game right now. My mouse is glitching. I'm sorry for that. Happens sometimes. Okay, I was just reading the chat. But Project Zorgo game I was looking at because that I get notified. So there's Secret Dudes. Who's that? Secret Dudes. Who's Secret Dudes? I don't know, but he's my friend. What? No, I'm not accepting. I'm not doing that. Have on PG. I never watched this. I never actually been in this map before. So I'm just okay. Well, what happens if we do? I'm just hanging around. Okay, that's kind of weird. But in the dome room, I think you need a pass. Something so it's like 59999 blah blah blah. I don't know what it is. That's a cool basketball book. That's Jackson actually. His friend gave him that account, so let's go see.
What?
I said it. His friend gave him that account.
What?
I said his friend. Your friend gave him that account. Our friend gave him that. So here's
His
where.
friend, OP let me go on the account.
Yeah, OP.
He wanted me to make him a PZ member,
and then he let him have it. He let him have the account. So and yeah, I think this is the meeting room. I bet. So let's go check around more. Oh, what is this? A filming room? Bro, this is room. Okay, guys, in Roblox, I'm gonna be recording videos like this. I'm gonna be like, "Hello, guys, welcome back to another video." And today, wait, should I start making videos there where I start the video? I'm gonna do that. Guys, comment down below if I should do that, and then I'll just leave the game. But I won't have this avatar on. I'll have my regular avatar. Because I'm hacked. What are we gonna do? I don't know what's going on. I think they're pranking. And wait, there's another code. Jackson, there's another code thingy.
What?
Look. Guys, there's another code thingy. I didn't see that there before.
Guys. Hey, guys. Guess what I'm doing to OPK Boomer now? I'm pranking him. Like, I'm saying that that PZ hacked his account, but he didn't actually hack the account.
Yeah.
So, literally, I'm saying that he did, but I'm pranking OP.
Yeah, he said that. He said he was gonna do that. At the first of the video, so I knew it kind of, yeah, a little bit. Those two lockers, I don't know why. I bet this is where you like come in, you'd be like, hey, you want to be Project Zorgo? And I'd be like, no, okay, I'll be Project Zorgo. And they're like, okay, sure, that. So that's kind of weird. So we're gonna check out more of this. Another code. Let's go see what other outside. Let's go around the map. I'm gonna go this way, actually. Let's see what's around here. Oh, this is too far away. We make it through these? I thought we could make it through the fence, but we can do that. Guys, I'm gonna make a Fortnite video today after this video, guys. Stay tuned for that. Yeah! No! No! Jackson, I know how to get across the fence. I know how to get across the fence.
How?
Look at my screen. Ready? So you go like this, and then you go like this.
do it?
You go like this. You get under, and you go.
Oh, I did that before.
Bro, guys, if you want to do that, no, bro. You can get you. Then why did you say? How did you do that?
Because I thought you meant the code area.
But at least I got it, guys. Let's see what's around here. There's a help. Jackson, did you know there's a sign called "Help Us"? Jackson, is there a sign behind the house? Is there? Jackson, is there a sign behind the house?
A sign behind the house?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, there is. Look, it says "Help Us."
Oh yeah.
You never saw it then. I'm joking. So, guys, you're probably joking. So, guys, you guys try that too. See if we can make it around the house. They're gonna publish those. Publish, not publish. See if we can make a back. This is gonna be easy. You should see me in the ground. I made it back, guys. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This video is about 6 minutes long, so that's around Project Zorgo. Yeah, that's what's like to be Project Zorgo for just for this video, guys, and showing you around this house.